Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine this. You've just stepped out of the shower and your hair feels fragile, lacking that volume and strength it once had. What if there was a product that could bring it back to life, giving you the fullness, shine, and health you crave? That's exactly what we're talking about today. I'm reviewing the Davines Liquid Spell Reinforcing Bodifying Fluid, a product that promises to strengthen, volumize, and leave your hair silky smooth. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's dive into what this product is all about. The Davines Liquid Spell comes in a sleek, simple 4.22 full-ounce bottle. It's designed for adults, offering a lightweight, versatile formula that promises to reinforce hair strands, add volume, and leave hair with a natural shine. This fluid is all about repairing your hair, improving its texture without weighing it down. The ingredient list shows that this product is formulated with high-quality ingredients aimed at repairing and protecting hair. While specific details aren't always disclosed on the bottle, it's safe to say this product is designed for those looking to repair damage, add body, and achieve that smooth, salon finish look. The formula is lightweight, so you won't have to worry about feeling heavy or sticky product in your hair after use. Using this fluid in real life was a breeze. After washing and towel drying my hair, I applied a generous amount of the fluid to my damp strands. The product itself has a smooth, almost watery texture, making it easy to distribute through the hair. It didn't feel greasy or overly thick, which is always a plus when you're looking to add volume without the weight. When it comes to results, this product doesn't disappoint. My hair looked fuller almost immediately, with a soft, bouncy texture. I noticed that it wasn't just volume for the sake of volume. It felt like my hair had more substance, more strength. As for the shine, it's natural looking, not that over-the-top glossy finish you sometimes see with overly greasy products. Just a healthy, vibrant glow. Now, no product is perfect, and I do want to point out a few things. First, while it worked wonderfully for me, those with very fine or limp hair might need to apply a bit more to see a substantial effect. Also, while the fluid is lightweight, those with thicker or coarser hair may not feel as much of a difference in texture if you don't use enough product. It's all about finding that right balance for your hair type. Pros? It's easy to apply, lightweight, and gives great results without leaving hair greasy or weighed down. It truly lives up to its promises of strength, volume, and a smooth finish. On the flip side, its price might be on the higher end for some, especially when compared to other volumizing products on the market. However, considering the quality of the product and the brand's reputation for using high-quality ingredients, it could be worth the splurge for those with damaged or thin hair. Is it worth the price? In my opinion, yes. You're paying for a premium formula that works well without the sticky, heavy feeling that can sometimes come with volumizing or strengthening products. If you're looking for a quality product that brings noticeable results, this one does the job. As for alternatives, there are a few budget-friendly options out there, like OGX Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo and Living Proof Full Thickening Mousse, both of which can offer similar volume at a more affordable price. While they may not deliver the same level of repair, they're definitely worth considering if you're on a budget. Overall, the Davines Liquid Spell Reinforcing Bodifying Fluid does exactly what it says it will. Boosts volume, strengthens, and leaves hair feeling healthy. If you've been struggling with flat, lifeless hair, this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.